Hello everyone, I hope all of you are happy and healthy. Today topic is about Buddha, the Lord Buddha. Buddha's very famous theory of the middle path or Madhya Marg is a way of approach to life that avoids extremes of self-denial and self-indulgence. If you balance between these two paths, you found peace and happiness, which everyone wants at end result. Non-attachment and hold on your desires are some key of the middle path theory. The theory also fit in meditation as well. As you seen that Buddha is always seen in closed eyes. But why? His meditation theory is also famous. According to Buddha, the simple step of meditation is just sit in a posture, close your eyes, keep your eyes attention on center of your eyes or above your nose and focus on your breathing. These simple steps give you more attentive, calm and stress-free life. His teaching is very famous even now. I hope you like my videos. Please do share and subscribe my channel.